If you want to search for a song on POCO C85, if you don't know the title of a song that you can hear right now, then what you can do is you can use circle to search. So if you have circle to search activated, or enabled actually, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button, or press and hold your finger on the navigation button, depending if you have gestures or 3 buttons for navigation. So let's just do this. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to activate this Google's circle to search overlay. And at the bottom, we can tap on this music note over here. And now our phone is listening to our background, essentially, to the ambient, essentially. So now, if the song is recognized, if circle to search recognizes the song, then you should be able to get the Google search result with the song title and, of course, the artist. So this is how it works. And instead of opening circle to search, instead of activating it, we can also add the search song button to the control center. So if we go to the control center and go to the last page, of course, we can start editing our control center. And then we need to find the song search option. And we can just simply press and hold on this button and drag it to the upper side over here and tap on it done. And now we can use this button in order to quickly open the music recognition feature. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.